Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna show you a simple way to enjoy ramen in a creamy, cheesy twist. We are making rich and cheesy cheese ramen pasta. It's easier to make than you think. And once you try it, you will keep craving it. Let's get started. First, thinly slice 3 cloves of garlic. And slice a bit of onion. If you have a parsley, finely chop a little for later use and garnish. This is optional. Drizzle a bit of oil in a pan and stir fry the garlic and onion. While that's cooking, boil some water and add 1 pack of ramen. Cook it for just 2 minutes and 30 seconds. You want the noodles to stay chewy like pasta. Once the garlic and onion are nicely cooked, pour 3/4 cup of milk and only half the seasoning powder. It might get too salty if you use the whole packet. Add the dried veggie flakes. When the noodles are done, take them out and add them directly into the sauce. Now add a half tablespoon of mayo, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and a handful of cheese. Stir gently over medium-high heat for 30 seconds until the cheese melts and the sauce becomes thick and creamy. Add a little bit of parsley at the end. Once the noodles are coated evenly in the sauce, you are done. Serve it on a plate and sprinkle some chopped parsley on top to finish. Wow, look at that! Doesn't it look just like a pasta? But it's made with a single pack of ramen. Looks so cheesy. Wow, this is so good. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit the like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.